Hi, it's Chris from Atomic Airsoft here. I just wanted to do a sound test on our brand new high-powered SRS HPA engine. It's not quite as quiet as the original one, but this is shooting 3.2 joules. So I'll do a shot at the moment, just into the ground with no BB. And then, in comparison, we'll do a Mark 23. Now let's load BB. And this time I'll shoot up into the air so you actually hear the BB impacting. Now let's do a quick chrono test. This is going to be for consistency. So we've got there 3.2 joules, 403.2. 400.3, didn't read, didn't read. 401. 405.4. That one was a little bit higher, but still within 4 FPS. 404.3. 405.1. 'Didn't read. My chrono may be dirty. 405.8, and this is using 0.43 gram BBs. As you can see, I'm getting 3.289 joules. I'm just going to turn the PSI down now to about 80, so you can see what 2.2 joules UK sounds like. Right, so I've turned the regulator down now to 80 PSI. Have a listen. So let's see what we're getting at 80 PSI. So that's 2.298 joules, 339.2. Misfire, or the chrono didn't read. $335.7. 338. 340. 339.7. So I'll do a quick sound comparison between this on 2.2 joules and a Mark 23. So, this is the SRS high power at 2.3 joules. This is the Mark 23. So yeah, it is still very, very quiet. These are available on our website now to order. The key differences between this and the old one is this one is shorter, it's a lot smaller, it's got a much higher flow solenoid in there. We have a captive battery door. As you see, my battery's hanging out because I never bother to actually put them in when I'm doing these videos. And the internals, you've got a much thicker brass tube in there, making the airflow a lot better. And also the manifolds inside on the solenoid are all CNC machined by us to get the manifold to fit. Anyway, so yeah, here it is.